This is the Spendwise Moms channel with another video on meals for under $1. This video shares different breakfast foods that start at only 3.5 cents per serving. I am amazed at how many great breakfast recipes can easily be made for under $1 per serving. If you are really trying to save money and live on a tight budget, try eating breakfast foods for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's plenty of variety, and if you make it yourself, you can make it just the way you want. The link to the cost analysis and the recipes in this video can be found in the description box below. The cost for these recipes is calculated by using Walmart's regular prices. If you buy groceries on sale or shop around at different stores, you can save a lot of money and make these same recipes for less money. If you don't want to, or aren't in a situation where you can do that, these prices will give you an idea of what you would spend without having to shop around or shop sales. I had a lot of help from family members to make these recipes. It was fun to do, and now we have more great recipes to choose from. Let's go ahead and go through the different recipes and the cost. You can combine different items depending on the cost of each one and still be under $1 per serving. Let's start with oatmeal. It is cheap, starting at 9 cents per bowl, and you can put all kinds of fruit in it, extra things that are hanging around the fridge. Next, we have bacon at 25 cents, which is a little bit high. You can usually find it cheaper. And then there's hash browns. If you make them fresh, they're about 15 cents each. If you make them frozen, they're a little more. Sausage links, about 18 cents each. Once again, you can usually find these cheaper than that. Cold cereal starting at 11 cents per serving. Oatmeal packets starting at 17 cents each. Granola bars from 16 cents each. Homemade English muffins from 4 cents each. Toast from Homemade Bread, around 3.5 cents each. Pancakes at 8 cents each. Breakfast sliders, about 15 to 65 cents each depending on what you put in them. Deviled eggs with bacon on top, 10.5 cents each. Breakfast pizza, 94 cents per serving. Oatmeal breakfast bars, 24 cents per serving. Basic muffins, 12 cents each. Baked oatmeal. It's a good option for those who don't like the texture of regular oatmeal. This is 18 cents per serving. Chocolate chip scones, 29 cents each. Bagels, it's like a bagel with eggs and meat and cheese in it, for 87 cents each. Sausage, gravy, and biscuits, 67 cents per serving. Quiche, 84 cents per serving. Sweet rolls, 15 to 25 cents per serving depending on the size. Yogurt parfait, 67 cents each. Toad in the Hole, 70 cents per serving. breakfast burritos or quesadillas, around 91 cents per serving, depending on what you put in it. French toast sticks, 46 cents per serving. Waffles and homemade buttermilk syrup, 22 cents per serving. Chorizo breakfast tacos, 78 cents per serving of 2. Banana bread French toast, 90 cents per serving. I hope these recipes sparked some good ideas of things you would like to try. I also hope they helped you realize that there are a lot of different recipes out there than you can eat on a limited budget. There's a lot of variety in the foods you can choose with so many options available. You definitely don't have to eat oatmeal every day to live on a strict budget. You can eat well without spending a lot of money.